of the most important benefits of education and technology is to show abstract concepts. A simple example being a sound wave experiment. So now let's make some noise. You saw a sound wave, right? No, of course not. And your students certainly won't. So how can you explain this to them? All you need is just any tuning fork. And we are going to use the Labdisc microphone sensor located right here under the microphone key. The Labdisc is connected wirelessly to the computer. The Bluetooth icon here shows that we are wirelessly connected to the Labdisc. We will open the setup screen. Here we can see all our sensors. Look how many we have in a single Labdisc. We will select the microphone. A sound wave is really fast, and luckily for us, we can take very fast measurements of up to 25,000 samples per second. In this experiment, we will choose 1,000 samples. Since we take 25,000 samples per second and only 1,000 samples, this whole experiment will last less than a second. Now we are ready to record. We will place the Labdisc 10 centimeters away from the tuning fork. We will hit the tuning fork, wait a few seconds for the sound to stabilize, and record the sound. Voila! We visualize a sound wave. As you can see, in less than a second we have collected 1,000 points, sent them wirelessly to a computer, and show our student how a sound wave looks like. Now let's analyze the data we have collected. We can first see the samples. We can place two markers on the graph at the beginning and end of an oscillation cycle. Using these two markers, we can calculate the period and frequency of the wave. And look how beautiful it looks when we are using two tuning forks at slightly different frequencies. So now we know what a sound wave looks like. We can even describe its frequency and speed.